Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we turn your purchasing dilemmas into delightful decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the eufy RoboVac 11S Max, the compact cleaning ninja. And on the right, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo, the multitasking maestro. Which one should you invite to your home cleaning party? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the Moolah. Eufy comes in at $249, while Kilgone is slightly pricier at $267. So Eufy is like that friend who always brings their own snacks to the movie night. Kilgone, on the other hand, is like the friend who insists on ordering the large popcorn and a soda combo. Not a huge difference, but hey, every dollar counts, right? Next, let's discuss the looks and the stealth factor. Eufy is slim and sleek with a 2.85-inch profile. It's like the James Bond of vacuums, slipping under furniture without breaking a sweat. Kilgone is a tad bulkier at 2.91 inches, but it's still pretty slick. Think of it as the Jason Statham of vacuums. A bit more rugged, but still gets the job done with style. Now, on to the cleaning showdown. Eufy boasts 100 minutes of cleaning on hardwood floors with its Boost IQ technology that kicks in extra power when needed. It's like having a vacuum with a sixth sense. Reviewers have praised its quiet operation and ability to fit under furniture. Kilgone matches the 100 minutes, but adds a mop to the mix. Yeah, you heard it right. It vacuums and mops, transforming your floors from dusty to dazzling. Reviewers love its smart features and ability to clean both carpets and tiles effectively. Let's talk tech. Eufy's got your basic remote control. It's like the vacuum version of your grandpa's TV remote. Kilgone, however, is all about that smart life with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, app control, and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can literally tell it to clean while you're binge-watching your favorite show. Reviewers appreciate Kilgone's advanced features and ease of use. Eufy comes with infrared sensors and drop-sensing tech, so it won't kamikaze off the stairs. Kilgone goes full techie with a 360-degree sensor array and 3D precision obstacle avoidance. It's like Eufy is playing checkers while Kilgone is playing 4D chess. Kilgone even has 4 cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag. Reviewers have praised Kilgone for its intelligent navigation and ability to avoid obstacles effectively. Eufy comes with all the essentials: remote control, charging base, cleaning tool, and a 12-month warranty. It's the reliable friend who always shows up with what you need. Kilgone, however, gives you the works: vacuuming, mopping, and a promise of turning your home into a spotless paradise. It's the friend who brings the party and cleans up afterward. Reviewers love Kilgone's dual functionality and range of accessories. Overall, reviewers find the eufy RoboVac 11S Max to be a reliable, efficient, and budget-friendly option that excels in quiet operation and fitting under furniture. On the other hand, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo is praised for its advanced features, multitasking abilities, and comprehensive cleaning performance. Both have their strengths, making them suitable for different needs and preferences. So there we have it, folks. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max and the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo. If you're all about sleek, quiet, and straightforward cleaning, Eufy's your guy. But if you want a multitasking marvel with all the smart features, Kilgone is your new best friend. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your choices smart. Product links are in the description.